Hi guys, it's Dennis. We're going to do a tutorial on how to install the crossbars on the Chevy Bolt EUV 2023 version. As you can see, I've installed, and then we're going to go right onto those, or those, right over there. We're going to be popping those caps off, which I will do right now. So this is the box the crossbars came in. These are the instructions just printed out right here. Let's see if they are useful. That's it, just print it out. They come very wrapped, and they're wrapped pretty good, packaged well. I don't complain about them. So I'm gonna open these up and show you everything I have. So we're going to confirm all the materials we have. Everything looks correct. You get the screws, the Allen key, the rubber gasket, microfiber towel. These don't become, what's it called? These weren't on there originally, so we're just going to do this ahead of time, just like this. Just like that. Just do it for all 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all 8 of these. Second step is to install the 2 heads, not very tight on each of these. These are the heads right here. And the screws should already be on there. Let's go do that. Okay, so we're on to the second step right now. We're gonna install the 2 heads, not very tight. I got one right here, and the screws are already on it, like so. So I'm gonna loosen it up and grab that screw. Okay. So the screw and the plate should fall out like so. Leave it as is, just like this. You'll see that hole right there. Screw that out. Hold it if it falls. So you see the hole right there? See the hole right there? There you go. So leave it as is. And I'm gonna grab this head right here. Get it on down. Actually, wow, that's crazy. Okay, well today I learned they actually have different heads. So we're gonna try this one. This one's big enough. Yeah, so the heads are specific to each what's it called, bar. So just know this is the larger heads, these are the smaller heads. So make sure the hole's aligned, put it down, you should still see it in there, which I do. So I'm gonna do this. Putting it in there, jiggle around until you hit the plate, like so. I'm latched on, right here. And tighten it just a bit by turning the bar around so the plate falls down, and turn it. This is how you tighten it because the plate falls down. So if you over tighten it like so, all you gotta do is facing up, just place it back down so the plate falls down, and loosen it up. There you go. Still the plate. Oh, cool. So this is 1 bar down, and I'm going to install the small one right here. So step 3, we're going to install the rubber gasket. Make sure this is facing inside, and push those in. Those look like they're in. Best you can do for these. Step 4, we're gonna put the actual bars on the roof now. Basically, we're gonna make sure the front's pointed to the front and pop off those plastic caps right here. Dad, quiet. Okay, so this is the plastic pluggers right here. You need to unscrew these. So you can see right here. It's kind of a weird thing to do. I can only find on one website, the forums, Chevy forums, on how to actually do this. But basically, you take the plastic stopper right here, you fold it in half, right? Just like this, 3x. Yeah, so you take this and fold it in half, right? Kind of twist it out. Okay, so these are the threaded holes right here without the plastic topper. And again, I'm doing my last one right here, but in total there are 8. So this will take a while to do. There you go, all done. Let's go get those racks. And step 5, we're actually going to screw those holes for installing the rack to the bar using these. Alrighty, grabbing the racks. This one obviously has the sticker saying it's forward. Just keep a note that these with the grooves on them, that means it's facing forward. So this is the forward one as well. This one doesn't have a sticker this way. So the longer one is the one that goes in the very front. This is the back bar. And make sure the back bar is facing forward by indicating by the groove right here. So put this on the front right here. Make sure these plastic gaps, plastic covers don't fall off. Line it up with the holes right here. Okay, and then just grab these 2 screws, put them through the hole, like so. And you can tighten these as tight as you want. These are fine. Just don't tighten the bottom ones right here yet. Yep, so I tightened the other side. I'm on the other side of the car right now. You'll notice that it's pretty loose, but also it's not perfectly aligned with the hole. I think it's fine. I'll figure out probably tomorrow if it's bad or not, but right now I just kind of pushed it in and not a lot of torque right now. So it seems fine, but basically just kind of push it in so it aligns with the holes. And it doesn't keep screwing in wrong, but hand tighten it and looks like we're good. Alrighty, this I'm fine. Alright, I'm gonna go screw these in. Okay guys, I screwed down most of the crossbars. Front one's pretty solid, but the back 2, I'm missing a bolt. So this bolt right here, we only got 7 of these when there should be 8. So what I did was probably go down to Home Depot tomorrow and try to find the screw over here. But for right now, those 2 are missing. Wow, the zoom in didn't work, but whatever. Let's see, this one's better. Yeah, so I'm just gonna leave that one unscrewed for now. But still, nonetheless, it's pretty solid. So, cool, fun, great. I'll give a review once I finish it up. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Cool, bye. Alright y'all, just came back from Home Depot and I found a couple of M6 screws that are metric that matches this. This is the original one and I was missing 1 bolt, so I bought a 25 and a 20mm. This one seems about the right length, so I'm going to stick with this one. Get this as a spare. Okay guys, just finished installing the bolts. Everything looks pretty well. Nice and solid. Yeah, looks great. It's the side view, front view. Not raised that high, but looks fine. You can see that the other bolt I mean there, it's installed a little different than the other one. M6, 25mm. But yeah, this is the final results. I'll probably do a review in about 2 weeks, so stay tuned for that. Like and subscribe. I don't know what else to say, but thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.